Excuse me. Flash.
Can take a photo?
Yeah, just one.
Unless the analyst, I cannot see.
Okay, madam. Gita madam.
Bother about us. Then we were sitting and sitting, then we got angry. I pulled one of the ladies and told, see, you are seeing your sari, okay, no problem. As lady, I also like saris. You are looking for the jewels, as lady, I also. But if you are healthy only, you can wear the sari and you can wear the jewel. Please come to our stall. Then after, we compelled each and every lady, pulled her to our stall, and then we screened, I should say, 200 early cases, pre or early cases, we diagnosed. They were absolutely normal. By appearance, physique, everything, they were absolutely normal. They were hesitant to believe that they were in the pre-cancerous state. Then we told, if you are diagnosing in this pre-cancerous state, you are absolutely a normal woman. But if you would have concentrated only on your sari and only on your gel, not concentrating on the preventive measures and the awareness charts, you would have missed. So I plead each and every woman, I plead each and every girl children, because nowadays breast cancer is advancement in the age. Previously we are getting 10 decades earlier than the abroad countries. Why? Because as it is said, this is one unique feature of cancer in India. The cancer incidence is more prevalent among men in other countries, but more prevalent among women in India. This should be looked into it. You deeply should think of it. Why? Why means women's health care is totally ignored. I cannot say it is by the society, by herself itself. When there is a budget in the family, and the first cut of the budget, if there is over expenditure, will be of a woman. Okay, her health checkup, it can be postponed next day. Family does that. If she is taking care, I always say, if her husband is suffering from headache, she will tell, no, you go and see a neurologist. You should give the highest care. If her child is suffering from stomach pain, she will tell, no, first of all, we will go to a gastroenterologist, because he should have the highest care. But when she has some of the symptoms, she will go to the kitchen, take some asafoetida or something, she will swallow, and she thinks she's a saint. She sacrifices, but it's not that. She's not sacrificing herself. the expenditure, but she is creating a painful situation for the family. She thinks for that family only she is sacrificing. So these type of awareness, because the treatment nowadays, doctors like Geeta Nageshri and all there, they are taking care. And when once it is diagnosed, as doctors, we assure you can return to the normal life, as Mrs. Anita told. I appreciate the family who supported her, because for patients, family support is needed and is must. Family will be lauding at them, but when there is painful situation, they are ignored. So I really appreciate